Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ifactioner.com's learning video tutorials. In today's video tutorial, we will learn the meaning of Muslim girls' names starting with K. Let's start. Kaamila means complete, perfect. Kaamla means perfect. Kaashifah means discoverer, detective, reveler, explorer. Kabeerah means immense, great, senior, elder, big. Kadira means powerful. Kaheesha was the name of a poetess. Kaia means stability. Kaif means a state of joy. Kaleemah means a speaker. Kalila means sweetheart, beloved. Kanwal means Lotus. Kamaliyah means perfection. Kaamila means most perfect. Kamil means perfect. Kaamilah means the perfect one. Kaneez means slave. Kaniza means firm, sturdy of body. Kanz means treasure. Kanza means treasure. Karam means noble nature, generosity. Kadavya means a pious woman. Kareemah means generous, magnificent, gracious, merciful. Karida means untouched. Kareemah means generous, noble. Kas means glass. Kaashifah means reveler of secrets. Kashmala means bracelet or necklace of flowers. Kadira means plenty. Kokab means a star. Kausar means reservoir in paradise. Kabeerah means powerful. Kehkashan means the Milky Way galaxy. Khadija was the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, first wife. Means premature child, great. She was the first woman to accept Islam. Khadra means raindrops. Khaira means very well, goodness, welfare, happiness, health. Khairiya means charitable, good. Khairun Nisa means the best among the ladies, the most beautiful amongst ladies. Khalida means eternal. Khalida means permanent, durable, immortal, eternal. Kalila means friend. Khalisa means pure, clear. Khansa means female gazelle. Khanum means princess, noble women. Kharija means external. Kharka means strong wind. Khatun means lady. Khawla means who has beautiful features, female gazelle. Khaira means good. Khairiya means charitable, good. Khazana means treasure. Khidra means green color. Khushbakht means of good fortune. Khulud means immortality. Khurshid means sun. Khushbakht means lucky. Khushnud means happy, pleased. Khuwaila means a little or young female gazelle, name of a woman. Khuzama means lavender. Kaia means a new beginning. Kishwar means a territory, region. Kauthar means river in Jannah, paradise. Kubra means great, senior. Kulsum. A woman full of flesh on face and cheeks. Silk pennant on the flag. Kulsum was the name of the daughter of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Kuwaisa means pretty. Kaina means intelligence. Disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby.